Hi, my name is David Lee. I'm the founder and owner of Vital Health. I've been a trainer and nutritionist for over 23 years in the health fitness industry. If you're looking to really increase your health and immune system to avoid developing a disease or contracting a virus and bacteria, we have the right program for you. With all the health and weight loss programs that exist, I think we've missed the most crucial foundation to having a healthy immune system and body. Our program teaches you how to lower your stress levels in your mind and body. We show you how to do proper hydration with pure water that is alkaline, full of antioxidants, and contains no free radicals. Then we show you how to do a proper herbal cleanse of your body and show you how to use enzymes and probiotics so your system absorbs and breaks down the nutrients of your food to build your body properly and get rid of all the bad bacteria, microbes, and viruses. You'll also learn what kind of whole organic foods you are to consume to help you at your optimal health. If you're interested in really transforming your health, please fill out your contact information on the menu provided and we will get a hold of you. Have an awesome day.